Hey, what's up guys, Aravind from Aravind. So today in this video we are going to unbox this noise color fit icon bus smartwatch. So let's unbox this. So in front it shows the watch image and here it tells calling smartwatch. Yes, it is a calling smartwatch. And backside of the box they mentioned the features of this watch and the color that I ordered is midnight gold. So let's unbox it. Okay, look at here. Both watch and the image looks pretty similar. So let's remove it. So here is the watch. So let's take it out. And it has the charger for the watch and some paper documents. So, and you have a warranty card and some stickers and a manual for the watch. So now let's come to the watch. So look at the watch. So let's take it out. So this is the color fit icon bus. So let's remove the stickers. So look at this. So let's boot it up. So look at this, it's turning on. Yeah. Look at here, it's turned on. So let's wear it and see how it looks. So look at here, how it looks like.
I wanna heal your sorrows. We'll